So you want to be a trucker. This video here is for all you newbies out there who are thinking about being a trucker or becoming a trucker, or been thinking about becoming a trucker. First thing you need to do is get your mindset right, because you're not going to be home much, especially if you're over the road trucking. If you're regional, you might be home on the weekend. If you're local, that depends on the company. But I guarantee you won't be getting home at 5 o'clock every day. That part, that's not going to happen. But other than that, the trucking game is just too flexible. You got to be flexible in order to do this thing. You can't just get out here and think you're going to do a 9 to 5 every day. That's not how this works. But get your mind right, because I'm going to help you with that. I've been doing this game 31 years. But you all didn't know who I am, then I'm Papa Bear. I'm true to this, not new to this. I'm never going to lie to you. I'm going to tell you what it is, what it ain't. I'm going to share with you some other stuff on here as far as life is concerned, life on the road, life with your family, life with your children, just life in general. Okay? I'm not here to try to tell you what to do. I'm just trying to help guide you, and hopefully you go in the direction that's best for your life. Okay? We all got to do what we got to do out here in order to survive, in order to make a good living for your kids, for your wife, and for yourself. And that's not all the time an all-together thing, all-encompassed thing. Sometimes it's just for yourself. But anyway, it's all good. I'm Papa Bear. To my boys out there, I love you. Um, Give Papa a call every now and then. We good. Yeah, I know Papa all right, gonna do what he do and everything. I'm about to go to a new company my own self. Not that the old company was a bad company. It was a good company. But I'm not no spring chicken anymore either. But I'm about to go over to a new company. Me and Mama G getting ready to go out here and take her to breakfast, my mother. And I'll probably do a couple more videos a day. But other than that, stay tuned. I'm Papa Bear. I'm true to this, not new to this. I've been out of circulation a while, so I got to get back into the swing of things. But it's all good. Slow is always better than fast. Okay? I'm Papa Bear. I'm true to this, not new to this. Stay tuned. I got some good stuff for you. Have a blessed day.